Hey, Bobby here with the Wooden Round Table. Hey, my son-in-law called me up this morning and he said, hey, come over here and let's blacksmith a little bit. And I'm like, I ain't never done no blacksmithing before. But I tell you what, I love watching that stuff on TV. So I told Cade, I said, hey, let's build one of those fire strikers and we'll see if we can get the dang thing to work if we get a chance to go camping. So I'm gonna run over to his house and we're gonna get that done. All right, let's go to Cade's. We're here to do blacksmithing. Sweet. Alright, that was a long drive. We over here at Cade's, got him come open the gate for us. Let's give us a piece of old junky iron out the back of this truck. He said he needed a piece of metal for us to work with. Maybe that'll work. I found a piece of metal. What do you think? It's just old soft steel. It ought to throw a spark on a piece of flint. Well, here we are. This is Cade's Man Cave. Blacksmithing, gunsmithing, taxidermy, barbecue, just solving life's problems. This is where it happens, right? We're going to get this set up and see how it goes. Like I say, we're going to try to build one of those fire starters. Look out, look out. Watch your toes. Getting pretty close there in the middle, huh? Yeah.
This is one that I forged.
Oh.
Finished probably 6 months ago.
Oh, check that out.
Heavy, bulky.
That sucker's heavy. I bet you could split wood with that thing. I like it. If this was going to be in 3D, that'd be really cool. Awesome. I like it. I appreciate you building that for me, man.
Wait.
That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. We got to do a video of you building a knife sheath for it. Oh, he already built the knife sheath. He already built the knife sheath.
This is just a regular, just fold over, stick it together knife sheath. Then this twine here actually made from some kind of plant in Central Texas. I took and stripped it out one morning and twisted it together and made some cordage. I got in there just to help secure everything. All it does is slide in your belt, kind of like the mountain man style, just slides in your belt and sits there.
I like it. I like it.
Yep.
Built the knife and the sheath.
Yep. Put my initials in there with some barbed wire pattern.
Cade has a lot of talent. You can see that or not in the sun. He has some talent. This is actually probably it looks wonderful because he's got a lot of leather skills. He really does. Gun belts, gun holsters, all kinds of really cool stuff.
This thing, when I make some more primitive end stuff, like Mountain Man, Rendezvous kind of stuff, I try to go for an accurate representation of the time period.
Accurate representation of the time period. It looks like it was made in 2025. I like it. That's pretty good.
I try to make it look a little bit more, just
A little rustic, a little rugged.
Something.
I'll tell you what, if they'd have spotted that thing before they made the Revenant, they probably would have used it. That's where we're at so far. Let's see, I still do it like this. Well, here's the final product. That's pretty cool. Make a spark. Want to make a spark?
Dead air there. Let's see.
Well, we can't get it to spark now. That is sparked a while ago. I saw it do it. But it does spark. I saw it spark. I swear I saw it spark. He ain't lying, y'all. But that's our fire starter tool. I think he's going to clean it up a little bit, maybe polish on it some, but we'll show it one day when we build a fire with it. We'll catch y'all later.